Former President Rodrigo Duterte's counsel and defense team are fighting tooth and nail to slow down litigation on former president's crime of humanity charges. Last time it was jurisdiction they sought to question. This time it's the confirmation of charges they seek to appeal. The full story from our RR Tubise.
The ICC prosecution opposes the request of former President Rodrigo Duterte's camp to be allowed to appeal the confirmation of charges before the pre-trial Chamber 1. The prosecution is asking for the request to be rejected. According to the prosecution, the defense failed to show sufficient grounds for the appeal to be allowed. It said that the defense's move is merely an objection because it disagrees with the court's decision. The prosecution also said that the pre-trial chamber clearly explained the scope of charges and the evidence used as basis for the decision. It maintained that there is no issue with the fairness of the proceedings because the defense will still have the chance to present its evidence during trial. The prosecution also called the defense counsel's statements against the ICC and its judges false and destructive, saying that this only contributed to disinformation in the Philippines. The decision now rests with the ICC Pre-Trial Chamber 1 on whether to allow or reject the request to appeal. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.